If you guys are looking forward to buy new washers and dryers, no, wait, no, hey. If you are looking forward to this, buy this Samsung. Buy this washer. Don't avoid it, okay? It's a product in Costco. Deep fill. Okay? Fitting a lot of clothes. See, the very big is the largest capacity. Very big on the market. Put your bleach inside. Okay? And you can if you were to buy a Samsung bespoke refrigerator, buy this. The model number you can see right there. You can buy this Samsung refrigerator. This is a replace water filter. The bottom at the left is unlocked. The top one's locked. Now, here at the bottom of the black thing, you can like open it. Okay, here. So you open it. Here's your filter. Here's the water. Dulce. Now you have a Samsung refrigerator with the same stuff inside. And here's what you got. You've got settings. Now this is where you put your frozen stuff. That must be the ice. Cubed ice. Yeah. Put your meat inside. Put the same thing there. Yeah. Buy the Samsung gas range and oven. Okay. We have Bosch oven. And if you're to buy this LG top loading washer, go ahead and do it right now. Model number LG AI washer dryer combo. Very large capacity. LG AI washer and dryer. Very large and biggest, very big capacity. Read the model number. Dryer. There are lots of people, guys. I can't believe this. I wish there were to be less people around here. There's all fancy stuff. Samsung Samsung Electronics. Here it is. It's what you have in India. Alright, so bye guys. Gotta go. I don't understand. I can't believe people are coming in my way. Can LG fit in this? It can be up to me. Dryer. Best one. Let's talk. Let's talk. Talk. think so. I don't think so. I love you. You're my son. You're just gonna be honest. Trey and Camilo. Inverter direct drive motor.
Will you be here? I'll be back in another 15 minutes or so, yeah?
I'll come. Be sure to
Are you coming
subscribe.
with me?
Yeah. Yeah, be sure to subscribe, guys. Goodbye.